Foxconn, the company known for manufacturing Apple iPhones, last year announced it's entering a joint venture with Vedanta to build the semiconductor plant in India. But just weeks after the announcement, they have pulled out of the 19.5 billion deal. The company says the deal was entered mutually, and Vedanta is looking for other partners. Foxconn said in order to explore more diverse development opportunities, they are determined it will not move ahead with the joint venture on the Vedanta. This is a blow to Indian government, which has been trying to put efforts towards economic growth and government programs that are aimed to promote manufacturing in the country. Although several companies, including Apple, are working towards diversifying manufacturing outside of China due to political and economic uncertainties, India stands to benefit the most, but they are not able to make up most of the opportunity yet. For those unaware, Foxconn and Vedanta last year signed a pact to set up a manufacturing, semiconductor, and display production in the state of Gujarat. And as per the reports, chipmaker STM Microelectronics are being roped in as a technology partner for the venture, but talks were deadlocked.